Hello everyone, welcome back to SaaS Junction. In this video, we'll be exploring the power of AIPRM and how it can be used to unlock the full SEO potential of ChatGPT. With ChatGPT, we can create engaging articles on any topic with ease. So let's dive right in. So we will be using the AIPRM for ChatGPT. We have already made an introduction video for the AIPRM Chrome extension for ChatGPT. You can check the video in the I button. So choosing the right prompt will be the first step. For writing an entire article, the best and the most voted AI prompt will be the fully SEO optimized article including meta, description and FAQs. You can also explore the different prompts in AIPRM. So let's click on fully SEO optimized article. So our keyword will be best website builder, and if you hit enter, you can see ChatGPT is generating an entire article with the SEO meta description. For choosing the right keyword, you can use Google Keyword Planner. You can also explore the AIPRM free keyword research tool. So you can see AIPRM is generating the entire article. Do note, always fact check the outputs generated by ChatGPT. AIPRM extension is super powerful. Sometimes while generating the article, the ChatGPT stops. To continue, just write please continue, and ChatGPT will continue where it has stopped. So you have seen how easy it is to write an entire article from scratch by just giving a keyword input. So it is also generating the FAQ, which is super important in Google search in the questions. Always edit and publish the article. Check for plagiarism. AIPRM extension also has plagiarism free content prompt. You can also explore that. So this was it, guys. ChatGPT has generated an entire article with the AIPRM prompt. AIPRM is an advanced AI technology that can help you unlock the full SEO potential of ChatGPT. With AIPRM, you can generate high quality content on any topic in a matter of seconds. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can create engaging SEO friendly content that will help your website rank higher in Google search results. If you have liked this video, please like, share and subscribe to SaaS Junction. We make such amazing SaaS videos every day. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.